Hey guys, my name is Rocha and this week I am here with a very special idea I had. This is Guess the Animal Sound. Great title, I know. So basically, I thought of this game. I'm sure pretty people on YouTube have done it before, but I'm gonna go through a list of animals that I've collected, that I've chosen. Some of them very easy, some of them I don't know how they sound at all, and I'm gonna try to guess. And I'm gonna put there a video of those animals on top so you can hear me as those animals. I'm sure this will be very funny. Here we go. Let's start very easy with dog. I know how dogs sound, but I really want to try and get their real sound, and I'm not gonna get it, I know. Here's my try, okay? I'm sure I'm gonna find a good video of an angry dog to use with that, hopefully. What am I doing with my life? Next up, we have cat. So how do I do a good cat? Yeah. 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 A lion. Now we have a lion. How do I sound like a lion? I know. What about a giraffe? I have no idea what sound giraffes make. I'm sure it was accurate. What about a cow? A cow goes... No, that's more of a sheep or a goat. Moo. 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 A penguin. I have no idea how penguins sound. What about something like... Again, accurate. I hope National Geographic wants me to be their sound making guy. And last but not least, I have an elk. I don't remember how elks sound. I hope that was good.
Nope.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this was probably the weirdest, craziest thing I made. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like. Comment down below what other ideas you want me to explore here on this channel. Subscribe for Nura here. Go and check my other channel, my gaming channel, in the description below. And for now, my name's Rocha, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys!